Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change billing address on ESPN bit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your ESPN bit app, and once you are inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do here is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, which will be located just right here, and once you tap on it, there you'll be seeing the my accounts option. Now all you gotta do is scroll all the way down, and then you'll find the option that says billing address or payment methods. Simply tap on that. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the option that says change or update, and once you do that, all you gotta do is enter in your details and then verify it with your identity like government issue ID and your address and utility statements, bank statements, etc. And once all you do that, follow the on-screen instructions to successfully set up your or change your billing address. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.